On this episode of Since 1906, we sat down with Brant Insero, the Senior Director of Training, Certification, and Standards at ISSA. We spoke about how the most important part of his job is the people he gets to help, how to live a life of integrity no matter what, and how cleaning can truly save lives.
And when you think about the customer that really needs to take advantage of this, it's not one vertical market. So it's not just school districts or universities. It's the person that feels the weight of their knees cracking. They're under pressure and they don't know what to do to fix these problems. And those that are taking advantage of it so far, by the way, we're seeing contracting companies, school districts, universities, government buildings, healthcare facilities. It's all about the solutions for the people. The best line that I've ever read or heard for me was, to live a life of integrity, you will return to your happy home. Home can be considered anything, be your personal home, your business home, or a place of being just centered in life.
Right.
When I read that line in 2013 or 12 it was, I changed my process on how I work with people. And no matter what I do in life, everything is led with the highest level of integrity. My career went straight up. And I never have a level of deception anymore. It's always about doing what's right at all costs. For me personally, the value and takeaway of a clean built environment is that it truly can save lives. The removal of harmful pathogens on surfaces and air will save people's lives.
All this and more on Since 1906.